Hi, Dyslexic Genius here. What we're going to install is the parrot or the speed control mechanism on a Victor. We have the head, and we have the tail, and we have the illustrious spring that's always tough to put in. We have the little hook here, and then we have the long piece sticking out. And we have to get these two on this shaft, and then the shaft sits like this on a Big 10, and it moves like this up and down for speed control. But how do we do this? What we're going to do is we're going to take the hook end, and that's going to go like that, and that'll line up with the hole. Now we have to fight the spring as we bend everything together and slide it onto the shaft. So we oiled this. We have a pin to put in. I do that with a Kelly, like that. And that little pin will fit just like that. So let me show you how to do it. So what I do is I put the spring on the shaft, but I let a little bit of the hook hang out like that. I bring it back here like that. So now we take the parrot and we stab underneath the tail. Like so. And now we bend the shaft, we bend it back and try to line up the holes. There we go. And it slides through just like that. That's how you put it in. Now what we have to do is we have to pull it back a little. Here's where the pin goes. So we don't want to lose this pin. We're going to insert that just like that. Push down on it a little. There we go. And now we can just slide this in. And that's how it sets. So now to set it, we're going to jack this up a little. And we're going to have this shaft just about vertical right here. And I'm going to block it up with a little wood. And then you're going to hold the shaft down, push the parrot back, and then we'll take the 3/16 and we'll tighten this up. And there we go. Now it's adjustable. Now we'll leave this set like this. You see how I jack it up with some wood. I just get it for elevation. And then you just will insert the governor like that. And then there will be some fine adjustments with the governor and the speed control. And you'll be ready to roll. And that's my tip for the day.
So not difficult, but tricky.
Well, tricky. You really have to be careful with the long piece of the spring that's sticking back here. Okay, because you can play with it with your fingers and it can bite you. I mean, it can bite you and you get a little cut. And that's my tip for the day.